In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your microphone work in OBS. So if all of a sudden your microphone stopped working and you can't see these wavelengths in OBS as mine is, then to solve this problem, it is pretty simple. First, let me expand this. So all you need to do is to go to your microphone. As you can see, mine is here, and make sure the volume is to the maximum and see if you'll have the wavelengths. However, if your microphone is still not working, then go to this ellipsis here and then click on it, and then under it select properties. Now from here you'll see under device it is set to default. Go ahead and click on this down arrow, and then you'll see your microphone. Go ahead and choose your microphone and then click on OK to save the changes, and now you should be able to see your microphone in OBS. If you have any other question, kindly let me know. Otherwise, if this video was helpful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.